Can certain foods trigger your raw symptoms? Can certain foods trigger your rheumatoid arthritis symptoms? The answer is yes, and it's a topic worth exploring. Certain foods can increase inflammation in the body or affect immune responses, which may worsen symptoms for some individuals. However, it's crucial to remember that reactions can vary from person to person. Let's look at some key foods that might trigger or worsen rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. First, animal products like red meat, dairy, eggs, and processed meats can contain saturated fats and other components that promote inflammation. Some studies suggest that patients who switch to vegan diets report improvements in their symptoms, indicating that animal-derived foods may aggravate symptoms for some. Next, processed foods are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can increase inflammation and contribute to weight gain, complicating the management of rheumatoid arthritis. Fried foods also fall into this category. They are typically high in omega-6 fatty acids and saturated fats, which can worsen inflammation and elevate cardiovascular risk, an important consideration for those with rheumatoid arthritis. Refined sugars and carbohydrates are another group to watch out for. Foods like sugary snacks and beverages, along with refined grains such as white bread and pasta, can trigger the releases of inflammatory molecules called cytokines. This releases can potentially worsen joint inflammation and pain. Certain cereals and grains may also be problematic. Some patients report immune reactions to wheat, oats, and soy, which might be linked to immune activation in the gut. Alcohol is another consideration. It can interfere with medications and may increase inflammation, making it a good idea to limit intake. Excessive salt consumption can also worsen inflammation and blood pressure, especially for those taking steroid medications. On the flip side, some foods like blueberries and spinach are often reported to improve rheumatoid arthritis symptoms due to their anti-inflammatory properties. It's important to note that food triggers can be highly individual. Some people find specific foods worsen their symptoms through elimination diets or food challenges. However, there is no single food that universally triggers rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. The immune responses to foods can involve complex mechanisms, including antibody formation and gut immune activation. For effective rheumatoid arthritis management, focusing on a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce symptoms and improve overall health. It's always best to consult healthcare professionals or dietitians for personalized advice tailored to your specific condition and treatment plan. In summary, while certain foods high in saturated fats, sugar, and processed ingredients can trigger or worsen rheumatoid arthritis symptoms by promoting inflammation, individual responses vary. Dietary adjustments should complement standard medical care for the best outcomes.